Yo, what is up, guys? This is Christopher. In this video, I'm actually going to show you guys how you guys can actually create a YouTube channel around affiliated marketing or for affiliated marketing. If you guys want to get into affiliated marketing or want to start creating or wants to start making money before you guys get monetized by YouTube, you guys can actually do it like this. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how you guys could create a YouTube channel for affiliate marketing. So before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload my next video. So and yeah, I'm still going strong, guys. I'm still I'm thinking of taking a break for everyday posting, but doing 3 times a week, because I do have other things to deal with my online business that I do have running in the background, and I want to make sure everything does good. But I'm willing to do three times a week to post, and I'm gonna update everything on my YouTube channel so I can show you guys everything like that. But if you guys want to do affiliate marketing and see what kind of how I promote one of my favorite affiliate marketing programs, get access to my free affiliate marketing course. The link is down below if you guys want to take action on that. So I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually do this the way you guys will not be hesitation of creating, because you guys are gonna be loving what you guys actually do. So that is my goal for you guys, to actually not to chase the money, but to actually build something you guys are passionate around. So affiliate marketing is that powerful tool where you guys can actually start doing that. So I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually do it. All right, so let's say I'm gonna go on YouTube right now, and I'm gonna show you guys, like, all these other people are actually promoting headphones. If you guys are into tech gear or stuff like that, if you guys wanna do headphone reviews, you guys could. If you guys love music, you guys could do headphone reviews. Or if you just like tech, all right, let's say you guys like to do videos on cameras. You guys like cameras. You guys like anything that has to do with tech. You guys could actually promote that product. You guys could easily go to Amazon Associates and sign up like that, so you guys could even do it the right way. You get me? So you guys could do it on headphones. You guys could create anything you guys love. You guys could create it. Right? So headphones. All right. If you guys want to promote other high ticket products like marketing tools and stuff like that, Builderall. You guys could do it like this, Builderall review, and stuff like that. Well, shows you how to build, how you guys could make money with Builderall, or how to, with ClickFunnels, any marketing tools you guys could think of. I just thought of Builderall, and stuff like that. So Builderall, ClickFunnels, email marketing tools, tools that will help other people's businesses. You guys can actually promote them like this. All right. Also, even with VPNs, or you guys want recurring commissions, VPNs is one great tool that a lot of people use. All right. Let's say they want to do something on Netflix, but they don't have that access because where they're located, but they could have that access onto a different state and stuff like that. So that's what I mean by creating a YouTube channel around that. Let's say tools that you guys love to do, tools about it, digital marketing tools, or digital tools just for people to grow their business and stuff like that. I believe RedTube, no, TubeBuddy actually has an affiliate program, but TubeBuddy is for people to grow on YouTube and stuff like that. If you guys want to help grow your channel, I suggest you guys actually use TubeBuddy to actually help you guys grow your channel, because it shows you the details and how you guys can actually get that. Especially if you guys have below 1,000 subscribers, I suggest you guys actually get the premium version, which is $4, which is a month. $4 a month, which is not that bad. It's just a cup of coffee every single day. One day you guys could just not get a cup of coffee and actually use that for TubeBuddy every single month. All right. So that's pretty much that's what you guys should do. you know, I'm using Safari, so TubeBuddy is not, you know, it's not a plugin for here, but I do have the TubeBuddy in my Chrome, so you guys could check that out. Actually, let me show you how you guys can actually do that real quick. Alright, as you can see here, I do have TubeBuddy and stuff like that, so it shows you right here on how excellent the keyword is, you know, the keyword stats and stuff like that, and it actually shows you more keywords that's common, you know, common video tags that are usually, you know, used for, let's say, for this one. Alright, so that, you know, before this video I was actually just doing my research on the keyword on what I should do for this video. So as you can see, it shows good, you know, knowledge and stuff like that. So you guys could do any types of tools for people growing their YouTube. Let's say you guys want to create a YouTube channel showing people how to grow on YouTube, even if you're still growing. You guys could actually do that. You know, like Gary Vee says, your growth on YouTube. You know, if you guys don't have a success story, document it. That's what you guys should do. Just document it. You know, showing people how you know what things you guys messed up on and what things, you know, you guys should work on and stuff like that. You know, so this is pretty, you know, like, and you guys could promote the products that you guys use. All right, so like again, or let's say you guys love to cook. All right. Let's say you guys love to cook, cause I love to cook, but I do not have a YouTube channel and stuff like that. But I'm thinking about it though. But still, but yeah. So this is what, you know, one of these people I subscribe to, a pretty good talented cook. You know, he, you know, if you click on one of his videos, right here, just let me put pause so you guys don't have to. All right, so this right here, you know, he's talking about how to cook a steak and stuff like that. So he's actually putting affiliate links on, you know, the cast iron pan for steaks. So he's, you know, these are affiliate links from Amazon. So this is how Amazon Associates, and he even says the book I was holding. You guys could promote anything you guys like to, that you think your audience would like. Alright, like let's say, like I said, cooking. If you guys like cooking, you guys could promote the tools that you guys use. Like I said, you guys do not, anything you guys have in your household, you guys could promote as an affiliate. Alright, so that's why I hate when people say, oh, affiliate marketing is a scam. No, it is not a scam. Affiliate marketing is not a scam. It's not a get rich quick scheme and stuff like that. Like, but you guys do not, like I said, you guys do not have to promote a course to get the money you guys want to get, or do something you guys love to do. Right, like I said, if you guys love to cook, do the cooking. If you guys love to help people, you know, help them find the perfect product for them in digital marketing, you know, take the time to see it, and you guys could actually get recurring commissions. Most of the tools that are digital, you guys could get a one-time commission or recurring commissions. So that's one of the best parts, you know. With cooking, it's more of a one-time, like right here, these are one-time payment, and headphones as well, a one-time payment. So if we click on one of these, it's actually going to give you guys a Amazon link right here. As you can see right here, that's an Amazon link right off the bat. That's an Amazon link. Alright, so you guys could do anything you guys want to do with this and create it. You know, all you guys got to do is create a free YouTube channel. Remember, this is free, so that you guys could easily start this for free, and it's not gonna hurt you guys in any way. Start this for free. The only thing that you guys have to take time is creating a YouTube video and creating you know, and to putting effort into your YouTube channels and stuff like that, making sure it grows. And you guys don't have to post every single time. You guys do not have to post every single week or stuff like that. So so yeah, you guys could do this on any product you guys like, or any niche you guys like, no matter what you guys want to do. Like, let's say you guys love tech, you guys could review any tech you guys want. You guys love to help people grow on social media, or grow on YouTube, or grow their business and stuff like that. You can help them grow, or you just could document your story, alright, and help them achieve, you know, they came from the ground up, they could do the same. Alright, also, if you guys love to cook, you guys could just cook recipes and stuff like that, and then promote the products you guys use on a daily basis. All right, so a YouTube channel is free. Applying for an affiliate marketing program is completely free. And the only thing that you guys gonna have to spend is time and effort. That's it. That's all you guys got to do. So that's why you guys need to do it the right way, so you guys can actually, succeed and do that the right way. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And if you guys want to know how I promote one of my favorite products, you guys could actually click the link down below so you guys could know how I actually do that, and you guys could copy me and stuff like that, so you guys could get free access to my free affiliate marketing program and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.